All right, so here I am in the bar cave, and last week on deck, I'm sitting funny like this because I got my camera tilted down so I could do this. Last week on deck, we had Shayne Huff. Shayne is the owner and founder of a company called Deaf and Drum. And Deaf and Drum makes a product called the Drum Buddy. And the Drum Buddy is this fantastic invention that every drummer in the world needs one. They're super cool. Little thing that sits on the side of your drum set. I don't have one here, but I got one in here. And what he did was he made me one for having on the show. So I'm going to do an unboxing video right here, live. I'm going to try to do it without knocking everything over, knocking my phone over, destroying everything, and or cutting my hand off. Let's check this thing out. Now, this is called the Drum Buddy Rim Mount. I haven't seen this one yet. Oh, dude, I got some Drum Buddy merch too. Look, or some Deaf and Drum merch. Got some Deaf and Drum stickers. I've got a flight case that needs these. I got a Deaf and Drum, ooh, a koozie. You know what? Look, check this out. I'm going to put the koozie on my water bottle. See if it fits. I'm going to keep my, doesn't fit. I was trying to be funny, but didn't work out. Here is the, oh, dude, Adam Parsons, when you see this, look. It matches my existing Drum Buddy for my touring rig. And the way this works, oh yeah, see, check it out. It's got this, and you can put it on the rim of your drum. Comes with some extra screws and an Allen wrench, and you can put this on the rim of your drum. You can flip this whole apparatus over. This is great. So, what the Drum Buddy does, if you haven't seen one, it's a simple water bottle holder, and this water bottle holder is big enough that you can put a water bottle in there, or you can put a Gatorade bottle in there, because I guess Shayne likes to drink Gatorade, so you put a Gatorade bottle in there. Put your drum key right there. You can put your drum sticks. Got the drumstick here in my bag. Put your drumsticks in there. Just stick them up out of there. You grab your drumsticks, put mallets in there, right? You can put your cell phone, which I would put my cell phone in here, but I'm talking to my cell phone right now, right there. And then maybe your car keys, your watch, whatever you don't want to have on your person when you're at the gig, right there, your wallet, whatever. This thing is great. So, Shayne, thank you for this. This is really cool, man. And I got, you know what? I've got a gig Saturday night up at the band's playing up at where are we playing? We're playing the Hilltop Tavern up in Apple Valley here. Let's see if I can do this without it falling out. So I had it pointing down for the video for the unboxing, but we're going to be doing a gig up the Hilltop, and I'll put this on the kit when I get up there and show it. And this is just super cool. It's got a quick release, so you can put this on the rim of the drum, right? Clamp it on there, and then this slides on, locks in place, goes on the side of the drum. This is remarkable. So now what I'm going to do is I'll have two Drum Buddies, right? I'll have one off to the left side, over on my left side, which is where this one on the kit is over here. Matter of fact, I'll just pull this out of the phone holder and I'll show my Drum Buddy behind the kit. Now this Drum Buddy here is the one for in the studio. I don't know if you can really see it there. Yeah, you can. Let me show. Actually, no, here, I'll do this. Let's do it like this. It's dark, but yeah, you can see it. Right? So, take my drumsticks, put them in there. My water bottle fits right there when I'm teaching. And so, this is for my teaching, for the teaching drum set here in the studio. And then this one right here is the new one that Shayne just sent me, and man, I love that. That is so cool. The Drum Buddy for rim mount for the floor tom. So Shayne, if you see this, thank you for this wonderful gift. This will serve me for many years to come. I thank you. Thank you, Adam Parsons, for introducing me to Shayne and everything like that. What a fantastic guy, and what a great what a wonderful gift. So again, the Drum Buddy rim mount. I think that's what the official name of this one is. Anyway, guys, check out Deaf and Drum. I believe. Matter of fact, I'll hold this up. So in the video, right now we're live. I'll end up pulling this down, putting it on YouTube, I'm sure. And in the live video, or in the video up there, you can pause it, grab that on your phone. Go to deafanddrum.com, support him. Shayne is a great guy. It's a great invention. It's one of those small things, right, that just makes life easier behind the kit. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I got to go because I've got students here in about 10 minutes. I got to get on the ball with my teaching stuff today. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Check out Drummers Education Connection on YouTube. Like and subscribe. Go to my personal YouTube, Bart Robley, and hit like and subscribe there. And check out all my content on road rash and Band-Aids, anecdotal stuff for the touring and working musician.